How to open Lloyds bank account online in UK. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can open up Lloyds bank account online on UK, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually open Lloyds bank account online on UK, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Open up your browser and go to lloydsbank.com. Now sometimes it might automatically redirect you to lloydsbank.co.uk. Once you have done that, you're gonna see this type of interface where you can tap the menu icon over here, then go to the option called current account. Under current account, you can see this option called current accounts. So just tap on the current accounts option and you'll be able to see a list of all the current accounts that are currently available that you can open up on Lloyds Bank. Now by default I will select the classic one because that is the one that most people use. So go ahead and just tap the classic option and you will see all the queries related to the classic account on Lloyds Bank. Now once you have done this, you have to apply for it. So we're going to keep scrolling down to the bottom and you'll find apply now option because we are a new customer, so just tap on it. Once you tap on apply now option, right here you'll be able to see all the details again where you want to scroll down, then tap on the continue option here. And once you tap the continue option on the next particular page, it will ask you for a couple of other informations as well. Now basically from this point on, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You have to fill in your legal details alongside the legal name, legal date of birth and so forth. So let the web page to load up successfully first of all, and then once this page has been loaded up, are you an existing customer? Of course we are not an existing customer. Do you already have a UK current account? Of course we don't have a UK current account. Now we're going to scroll down here and then we're going to tap on the continue option, and as we do that, here on the next page you will be able to notice it will ask me to enter my first name, my last name and all of my other legal details that you would be able to find it here. Once done, make sure that you also have your legal documents ready with you, and from the bottom tap the continue option, and then on the next page you might have to upload your documents and everything else to finish creating your Lloyds bank account. This way you'll be able to open up Lloyds bank account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.